Try and try and try till you succeed. Yan ang kasabihan ng ibang tao na kung gusto mo talaga maging successful, you have to try and try and try. Gaya na lang ng gusto mag-take ng board exam para maging licensed civil engineer. Kailangan talaga nila na kung sa Bisaya or sa Tagalog or Bisaya ba kakayod. Mukayod yun. Anyway, here we are again for another math tutorial. The angle of elevation of a pole 10 meters horizontally from it is 3 times the angle of elevation at a point 50 meters from it. Find the angle of elevation 10 meters from the pole. Now, to solve this one, we have only the given distance. So we have to solve the angle of elevation. Now, for example, at a certain point, now we have this one. I will draw the rough sketch of a pole. For example, this is a pole. Oh my God, my pole. And this is the height of the pole. We designate it. So, at a certain point, so for example, 10 meters from the pole. So, if for example, it is 10 meters from the pole. And then, so we have 10 meters here. And then another is 50 meters from the pole. So, for example, this one, 50 meters from here. 50 meters till this side. So, it said here that the angle of elevation of a pole 10 meters horizontally from it is 3 times the angle of elevation at the point 50 meters from it. So, for example, this is the angle elevation and the other one is this. So, for example, we designate this one as alpha and this one is theta. Now it is written here that it is said here that this alpha is 3 times the angle of elevation at a point 50 meters from it. So it's 3 times. Therefore, alpha, the angle alpha is equal to 3 times theta. Yan ang sinasabi dito sa problem. Now, how to find the angle of elevation 10 meters from the pole? Now, first, we have to check this one that here we have to use the trigonometric function, the tangent function. For example, tangent theta, the angle, is equal to the opposite, which is equal to the height over the adjacent, which is equal to 50. So we have one equation. We have one equation here, which is equal to tangent theta is equal to the height over the adjacent, which is equal to 50 meters. And then now, we have to solve this one. Okay. We can make this one as, for example, if we have to use this tangent alpha is equal to the height over the 10. And tangent theta is equal to the height over 50. So now here, we can use this tangent function here or here. For example, the tangent theta is equal to h over the height over the adjacent, which is equal to 50 meter. And then, if we have to make it individual, tangent of alpha is equal to h over 10, and tangent of theta is equal to the height over the adjacent. Now, since itong alpha, sinasabi dito that it is 3 times the angle here, so 3 times the theta, so we can substitute this one, tangent of theta, which is equal to 3 theta, of alpha, which is equal to 3 theta, is equal to h over 10. Tangent 3 theta this can be written as tangent theta plus 2 theta. So, pwede yan masulat yan. Ngayon, merong trigonometric identities of this tangent function. This one, we have the formula for trigonometric identities of this tangent. Tangent theta plus 2 theta is equal to tangent theta plus tangent 2 theta over 1 minus tangent theta tangent 2 theta. Yan, equation yan na tangent parenthesis theta plus 2 theta. This is an equation. This is a trigonometric identity. This is an equation, a formula. Now, from here, tangent 2 theta in trigonometric identity is equal to 2 tangent theta minus 1 minus tangent squared theta. This is again another trigonometric identity. Tangent 2 theta is equal to 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Yung dalawa na yan, equation yan, talagang nandiyan na yan sa formula yan, trigonometric identities. Ngayon, we can substitute the value of tangent 2 theta in here. Now, going back to this equation, we'll have h over 10 is equal to this much. Tangent theta plus tangent 2 theta divided by 1 minus tangent theta tangent 2 theta. So now here, this one, tangent 2 theta, we can substitute this one. From the formula, tangent 2 theta is equal to 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta. So, h over 10 is equal to tangent theta plus this, the value of tangent 2 theta, which is equal to 2 tangent, the formula, divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta divided by 1 minus tangent theta times the value again for tangent 2 theta, the formula, which is equal to 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. So, simplifying all this, h therefore is equal to 18.89 meter. Yan ang height ng pool. Now, ang hinahanap natin is find the angle of elevation 10 meter from the pool. So, we can use, since we're looking for theta, we can use this equation, which is equal to tangent of theta is equal to h over 10. Now, substituting the value of h, which is equal to 18.89, divided by 10. The angle of elevation 10 meter from the pole therefore is equal to 20.705 degrees. Yan ang sagot natin ng alpha.
Sorry, it's DJ.